Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampedubafo. Today we are going to learn something about subtraction of unlike mixed fractions. So not wasting my time, let's begin. Now, example. We have find the difference of two whole number 4/5 minus one whole number 2/3. Now let's solve it. So we have, now the first thing you have to do is, now let's first write it down. Let's convert this one. The first thing you have to do is, when you get a question like this is, you convert, they are in mixed fractions. They are in mixed fraction forms. They are in mixed fractions. So you have to convert them to improper fractions. So you convert them to improper fraction. Let's convert the first one to improper fraction. Now, to convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction, you multiply the denominator by the whole number plus the numerator, all divided by the denominator. So therefore 5 times 2 making 10 plus 4 making 14. So you have 14/5 minus, let's come to the second one. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 3 times 1, 3 plus 2 making 5. So you have 5/3. Now I've got our improper fraction. Now if you get something like this, what you have to do is, you find the LCM. The LCM of the denominators. Now the LCM of the denominators, which is 5 and 3, LCM is equal to, the LCM of 5 and 3 is equal to 15. The lowest common multiple is equal to 15. How do you understand that? It's 15. The lowest common multiple is 15. So therefore, we bring the long bar. The LCM 15. Now 5 divides 15, you get 3. So 14 times 3. 14 times 3. 3 for 12. Remember 1, 3 1 3 plus 1 making 4. So you get 42. So the numerator here is 42 minus 3 divides 15. 3 divides 15, you get 5. Now 5 times 5 making 25. Now what you have to do is, you solve the numerators. Then, so what we have here is 42 minus 25. Now 2 minus 5 is not possible, so you have to borrow 1 from the 4, making 12. So 12 minus 5, you get 7. you get 7. Now here, remaining here is 3. So 3 minus 2, you get 1. So therefore, we have 17 over 15. Now, look at this very well. It is not proper fraction. It is improper fraction. It is improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So therefore, what we have to do is we convert it to mixed fraction. We convert it to mixed fraction. We convert it to mixed fraction. Now to convert this one to mixed fraction, we divide the denominator. You divide the numerator by the denominator. So we have 15 divided 17. Now 15 divided 17, we get 1. 1 times 15. 17 minus 15, you get 2. Now 15 cannot divide 2. So therefore, decimal point. So therefore, the whole number is 1. So therefore, the whole number is 1. So 1 whole number. Now 17 minus 15, we get 2. So therefore, 1 whole number, 2 over 15. So this is the final answer. 1 whole number, 2 over 15. I hope this is simple enough. I hope this makes sense to you, my students. I hope this makes sense to you. I hope you understand everything I've taught right now. So, if you really like this video, please like and subscribe for me. And if you have any question, please comment. Thank you.